1 kilogram sugar automatic packaging machine. C-type hoist, transports sugar to weighing hopper. 5 measuring cups, weighing out 1 kilogram of sugar in turn. Sugar enters the packaging bag through the conveying pipeline. Servo motor-driven film drawing system. The film enters the former smoothly. Adopt back sealing method and heat sealing. Finished products are sent out by conveyor belt in turn. Check the weighing weight. Remove bag weight. The accuracy reaches 99%. Finished product display.